Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm just going to be vlogging today. I thought I'd bring you guys along. I've got Lila here. She just woke up from her nap. Her morning naps are super short, like 30 minutes, but I'll take it. This is when I take a shower. She actually threw up in my hair last night twice, and I did not wash my hair today. This is true mom life. That is just kind of how I've been living my life these days. Tell them who Arthur is.
It's an elf on the shelf. So he filled this cup full of marshmallows last night, and then he fed our little pet dog.
That's right. And what did you do with some of the marshmallows?
Eat them.
Hey, Sissy, did you take a nap? I bought this cute outfit for her at Target. It is the softest. It's got like this super soft fleece on the inside. Are you cozy, girl? And look at these pants. I'll show you the back too. They're so cute. I've been doing some cleaning this morning. We had a really, really huge weekend, and it's just been super, super hard to stay caught up on my housework. So, oh yeah, we got to find her other shoe too. Her little shoe. Oh, look at, she's happy to see you. So I'm trying to find her other shoe. It's buried in here somewhere. I mean, this is like a real mess. Here are the back of those darling little pants. These are the cutest. Just for fun, I'm going to show you guys what my eyeshadow and lip colors are every day that I vlog in December, just because I love this time of year for makeup especially, and I love to change it up. So this is the Fame palette by ColourPop, and look at these gorgeous cool tone shades. And then for my lips today, this is the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine lipstick in Varnished Rosewood. It's really a cool tone shade and goes great with this palette. So that is what I'm wearing today, if any of you are wondering. Blakey's gonna show us what the elf was up to last night. Blake! Did he get into our hot cocoa?
Yes, he got the hot cocoa.
That silly
also,
guy.
I fed the doggy some marshmallows, and I just ate all of them. Oh,
you ate all the marshmallows that were in this doggy dish? You silly boy. So Arthur is our elf on the shelf. This is a tradition we've done for a few years, and we love it.
The little heart on.
That's right. And he puts the Christmas cheer in there, huh? Love and kindness.
Pillow.
Oh, cute little doggy. Let us know in the comments if you guys do the elf on the shelf. I collected all of our Christmas books from upstairs, and I put them in this bin under the tree. Today we're going to be reading Christmas stories under the tree every single day in December. We're doing something festive. It's really just a bunch of simple things that we're doing, but I'm trying to just keep the Christmas spirit throughout the month. So yesterday was our hot cocoa bar. Some of these books are really beautiful and religious. This one is my favorite, A Tale of Three Trees. It is amazing. I will go ahead and leave this linked down below. And some of them are just kind of cute. Santa's Stuck is a darling one. Anyway, here's our Elf on the Shelf book. So that's kind of a fun idea if you've got little kids, is to one of the days.
Elf on the Shelf book?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it?
It's in here. Yeah, do you want to read that? You do? Okay, baby, let's read it. What do you think, honey? What do you think about Christmas? Are you my blue-eyed girl? Are you my blue-eyed baby? This is your first Christmas, huh? This is such a fun phase of life, guys. I know being a mom of young kids is hard. It's exhausting. It's so much work, but it's so rewarding, and it's like the most special thing. I feel like I'm going to look back on my life and just miss these days more than anything. Like, I'm gonna miss being with my little ones. If you're a mama of little ones and you're just kind of hanging in there, and some days we are literally hanging by a strand, and some days I completely lose it, and I am not my best self, but just remember that we don't get these days back. They're really, really special treasures, even the days that are hard. Are you hanging out by the tree? I see one of your presents. I sure do. Is yours the pink one? Do you like your present? Oh, I have been burning a different candle each day. Not that I have that many, but I've just been rotating through. I love my Bath & Body Works candles. This one is Twisted Peppermint. It's really good. It kind of has a smoky scent. It's a little bit warmer, so I can't burn it for too long, like I'm about to blow it out because it's really, really strong. But this one is super, super yummy. It's 2 o'clock, a little after 2, so I'm just going to make myself some tea. Do you guys get afternoon munchies like I do? I get the munchies so bad, and I know it's not good for me to just snack and snack because I'm bored. I'm not really hungry, so I'm going to have some tea right now. I'll show you what I'm drinking. This is some nursing tea that I just grabbed at Walmart. It's just called Nursing Mom, and it's an herbal tea supplement, so I'm going to be drinking that right here. And then I made for Blake this honey vanilla chamomile. He really wanted peppermint, but I was out. So these are our little mugs today. I've had that one forever. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby. And then this one I actually just picked up at Target. Isn't it so cute? I just got Lila down for a nap, and Blake is going to see if a friend can play. This is a really, really good time of day for me to like sit down with my planner, plan out my weekly meals. I do need to do some grocery shopping tomorrow, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I do use the Happy Planner, which is just my favorite. I really like using the Happy Planner because the days are divided into 3 blocks and you can just choose how you want to use those. Then they also have these little insert options. The one that I'm going to be using for my meal planning is just called Weekly Meal Plan. So I've been using these inserts for a while and it just helps me stay organized. So what I do to do my meal planning is I will actually just hop on Pinterest and I will try to grab 1 or 2 brand new recipes that I think our family would like. And it's just a nice way to step outside the box. Pinterest is such a good resource. I'm sure you guys agree. I use it all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and sit down and do that. And then if I have some time left over when I'm done with that, She was?
She was home, but she was sleeping.
I'm going to do some planning. Do you want to do a planner with me? I'm going to do
Yeah.
This one's your planner. Do you want to do some planning? Because I'm going to do some planning. Are you going to plan as well? I love your new planner. It's so perfect. All right, so Blakey and I are going to do a little bit of planning together. And then I'll see if I have time. I'd love to do my nails. I haven't done my nails in a while. And I got this new little nail dryer for just like $5. And I really want to see if it actually works. So I'm going to quickly do my planning and then we'll go from there. Blakey, that is awesome.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you.
Lila just woke up. I did not get to finish, which is a huge bummer. I'm only about halfway done. But I am going to try these black bean and sweet potato flautas. I think they look really good. Hey, Missy. That was not a very good nap. She's in her little play gym. I took off some of these pieces to put in her car seat. And now they're in the car. But she's got her little bunny, Lila. That's very naughty.
So funny that
You gotta sleep, honey. So here is what I've got planned out for the week. I always like to make grilled cheese and tomato soup one of the nights. My kids love it and it's so easy. So I have everything laid out for myself here. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and take a picture of this with my phone, both sides. That way I've got a hard copy of it and I've got it on my phone just in case I want to use my phone instead of taking the list to the store. So I always like to back it up since it takes me a minute to sit down and plan it. But Lila was a good girl. She let me finish my work. That was a good girl, huh? Thank you, darling. While I was planning, Blake covered my back in stickers. I'm just glad I know about it and I didn't go out like this. Evan is going to be home from school any minute, so I'm going to make these energy bites that he really likes. I used to follow a recipe on these, but I've made them so many times, I'm pretty comfortable just eyeballing it, but I will leave you guys a recipe in the information bar below. But it's just oats, peanut butter, honey. I like to put in mini chocolate chips, black chia seeds, and coconut flakes. They're really good if you put them in the fridge. Oh dear.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh.
This is the texture that I really like. This is just a little bit gooey. You can roll this into balls and stick it in the fridge, or you can just do like me half the time and just put it in the fridge covered up with some saran wrap like this, and we just kind of dig a spoon in here and eat it like that. But this is really nice if you're looking for some quick energy. But it's not just full of like chemicals and like bad sugars. So this is a really great one. It kind of looks like cookie dough, doesn't it? Cody's work is watching Wreck-It Ralph tonight, and they've like invited the families. Lila is not having any of it. It's not even that late. It's only 5:50 and she is just really struggling. So she cannot handle it. I'll bring her back, but that's what we're gonna go do. What did you think of Wreck-It Ralph, Evan? You did like it?
It was good.
I liked it too.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time.
I am going to end this vlog here just because I want to finish the edit really quick so that I can get it up for you guys on Wednesday. And I did want to ask you, where do you think I should buy my stocking stuffers? I am going to go out tomorrow night with a friend and we are going to get all of that done. So I was thinking either Target Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree or Walmart. Those were kind of my ideas, but let me know where you think I need to hit up. I know Michael's even has some great little like trinkets and toys and treats for kids that are not expensive at all. So let me know in a comment where you think I should grab all that stuff from, and then I will film a little haul for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you had a great day. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon. Bye.